Today we're doing a collaborative video. Who are your partners?
Our partners are Tebis for their software, their CAM software, and ROMI for their machining, and Tame Lang for their work holding.
What's the machining demonstration?
We're demonstrating Tebis's roughing strategy for barrel tools. So the idea on that is far greater step down, higher speed, higher feed, so much reduced cycle times.
When you say bigger step down and bigger step over, what is it?
On this tool we've got 16mm diameter tool. It's our D geometry tool, which is for die stools, so very good for mould and die industry, but also it's a 7mm step down, which is quite something, and we've got 1.5 width to cut. We've got a pocket which we're producing with our 3/4 milling with our Q cut, so 16mm cutter, 25 depth of cut, to about, I think it's 2.5, 2.7 meters per minute feed rate. You'll see that throwing out material like you wouldn't believe it. And then we're finishing the walls with a 12mm barrel tool.
And this is quite interesting for me because I've seen this process before on different machine tools, and it's always a simultaneous 5-axis machine, whereas this is a 3+2.
That's what interested us as well, because yes, generally it's 5-axis, simultaneous 5-axis. It opens up another avenue for companies who perhaps aren't using 5-axis, don't have 5-axis. So yes, for us using 3+2 is a great option. Again, that's why we're showing this kind of feature here.
And this is what you love at Quickgrind, isn't it? Of course you'll sell a standard end mill, but you like getting dirty and getting on the shop floor.
Yeah, we make it difficult for ourselves. Yeah, standard tooling, brilliant, that's great, but we always say to customers, what are you trying to achieve? What's your driver? Is it cycle time reduction? If it's price reduction, don't look at the tool, look at the overall components to do with the tool, different features. So yeah, we like to get involved. We like to partner up with different companies, obviously partnerships with clients as well as suppliers of machines, CAM software, what have you. So it's a big recipe that goes into the mix.
And of course your tools are made here in the UK in Tewkesbury. Is it fair to say you're a bit of a sleeping giant, aren't you? For those people that don't know Quickgrind, how big are you?
Yeah, Quickgrind is, we've been going 50 years. I mean, one of our QSBs is that nobody knows of us. UK-wide, we do very, very well nowadays. Selected companies we're dealing with, export-wise we deal with 34 different countries now worldwide. New tools, remanufacturing tools, so we love to get people to send our tools back to us. To take them back to a new tool, recycling that maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, sometimes 10 times. We also supply vending machines for people around the world as well as in the UK, so it's very, very important to us that they've got supply when they need it.
Yeah, so essentially you're just looking at driving down costs for the end user, aren't you?
For us it's all about, it's not the tool itself, it's throughput. What's the biggest problem everyone has got is throughput. Reducing cycle times is very, very important, and what we like to say is what you're trying to achieve, what's important for you, and we'll make a tool for that job, rather than saying here's a great big fat column, 150 pages, you have to buy one of our tools. For us it's not a special, it's just a tool, we'll make it for you, and then we'll make sure it works. So we have our CAM software company, QuickCam Pro. John Butler runs that side of it, and he'll come in and show you great cycle time reductions in roughing as well as finishing.